Good morning. Myself Manoj, Asian Professor, EC Department, Chebrool Engineering College, Chebrool. Today's topic is binary addition and subtraction, octal addition and subtraction, as well as hexadecimal addition and subtraction. Okay, so let us move to the topic. So here, first one is binary addition and subtraction. Okay, binary addition and subtraction. Right? So here, let us take a binary numbers and add them first. Right? One. I'm taking here 101.101 and triple one 111.011. So I have to add these two binary values. Okay, I have to add these two binary values. So generally, we are familiar with decimal addition and subtraction, multiplication. Okay, but we are not familiar with binary additions, binary multiplications, octal multiplications, and octal additions, as well as hexadecimal additions and hexadecimal subtractions. So we are following the rules of decimal to easily answer this question, right? 1 plus 1 is 2. Right or wrong? 1 plus 1 is 2. So this 2 is a decimal number. In binary, the digits are from 0 to 1, means 0 and 1. Okay, there are only two digits in binary, 0 and 1. But here, I don't know the value of 1 plus 1 in binary form. But I know 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 in decimal form, right? So now what I'm doing is 1 plus 1 equal to 2, right? So I'm converting these 2 into binary such that I'll get the answer here. Okay. So 2 ones are 2, remainder is 0. So 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 1 plus 1 means 1 0. So I have to write from top to bottom. Kada. So this I call sum and this I call carry. Okay. So sum is 0 here and carry is 1 here. Okay. And now see here again 1 plus 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1. So 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Again 2 I am getting here, right? 2 means 2 is binary number? No, it is a decimal number. So I have to convert this decimal number into binary number. To convert decimal into binary, what I have to do? I have to divide this decimal number by base 2. So 2 ones are 2, again 0. Kada? So this is 0 and carry is 1. Okay. So 1 plus 1 plus 0 means 2 now again. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2 means 0, carry 1. See here now 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is 3. 3. 3 is not a binary number. Since binary numbers are from 0 and 1. 0 to 1. Okay. 0 and 1 are the binary numbers. So there is nothing like 3 in binary number system. So this is a decimal number. So I have to convert this 3 into binary number. So if I convert 3 to binary means I have to divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2, remainder is 1. So 1 1. Okay, 3 means 1 1. 1 1 base 2. So this I call sum and this I call carry. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 means 3. 3 means 1 1. 1 1 means 1 1 in binary. 3 means 1 1 in binary. So here okay, sum is 1 and carry is 1. Okay, and now 1 plus 0 plus 1 means 2. 2 means 1 0. So sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 means 1 1 means sum 1 and carry 1. So 1 plus 1 means 0, carry 1, right? 1 plus 1 means 2 means 0 with carry 1. So 0 and carry 1. This I am writing here. Okay, I have to put dot here. So if I add 1101.101 and 111.011, I'm getting this as an answer. 10101.000. Okay, this is binary addition. Like this, you have to do binary addition. Okay, so let us take another example. Let us take another example. 1 is one number, and another number is 1 1 1 1 0. Sorry, let us write a number here. 1 0 1 1 0 1 0.111, and another number 0 1 0 1 1 1.011. Let us take these two numbers, right? We have to add these two numbers now. We have to add these two numbers now. So 1 plus 1 means 2. So I have to convert this. 2 is decimal number. It's not a binary number. Why? Because in binary number I have to only 2 digits, 0 and 1. So I have to convert this decimal number 2 into binary. So I have to divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2, carry is so the remainder is 0. So this I call sum and this I call carry. Okay, so sum is 0, carry is 1, right? 1 1 1 means 3. So 3 is a decimal number, not binary number. So I have to convert this decimal number into binary, so that I have to divide 3 with base 2. So 2 ones are 2, remainder is 1. So this is sum and this is carry, and this is carry. So sum 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2 means sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 means 2. 2 means sum 0, carry 1. Sum 0, carry 1. Okay. So again, 1 plus 1 plus 1 means 3. So sum 1, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 means 2. Sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. Triple 1, 1, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. 1 plus nothing, 1. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is the answer now. See here. Let us take two values, A and B. Okay, Nandi. Now now some value, next carry value. I have to write here. Okay, if I take 2 digits, I have 4 combinations, right? I'm taking 2 digits. Okay, so that I will get 4 combinations. 0 0, one combination, 0 1, another combination, 1 0, next combination, and 1 1, last combination. So if I have two digits, I will have 2 square combinations. Okay, right? And if I have two digits, sorry, I have 2 digits, I have 4 combinations. 2 square equal to 4. So if I have 3 inputs, A, B, C, if I have 3 inputs. Now, what will be the combinations? 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. So, total number of combinations is equal to 2 power n. 2 power n. Why? Because in base 2 number system, I have only 2 digits. In base 2 number system, I have only 2 digits, 0 and 1. So I'm calling this input A, I'm calling this input B. This as B. So combination may be 0 1, 0 0, 1 1, 1 0. Right? I'm writing in ascending order here. Right? So 0 0 means 0, 0 1 means 1, 1 0 means 2, 1 1 means 3. Okay. So if I have two inputs, therefore n equal to 2. Therefore 2 square equal to 4. It will become 4. Why? Because n equal to 2. I'm taking 2 inputs. If I take 3 inputs, so n become 3. Therefore 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. I have 8 combinations. 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, and 1 1 1. Okay, Nandi? So see here, I have 2 combinations. I'm taking here 2 combinations. I'm taking here 2 inputs, so that I have 4 combinations, right? See here, 0 plus 0, sum 0, carry 0. 0 plus 1, sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1? Sum 0, carry 1. Okay, this is addition rule. This is addition rule, right? Okay, so let us take this addition rule for 3 inputs. For 3 inputs, right? A, B, C. So I'm taking binary. So base 2. 2 is the base. Number of inputs is 3. So n equal to 3. Therefore, number of combinations is 2 power n. 2 power n means 8. 2 power n means 8. Okay. 0, 0, 0. First combination. 0, 0, 1. Next combination. 0, 1, 0. It is next combination. 0, 1, 1. Next combination 1 0 0. Next combination 1 0 1. Next combination 1 1 0. Next combination 1 1 1. So if I convert this 0 0 0 into decimal, in decimal this value is 0. In decimal this value is 1. In decimal this value is 2. In decimal this value is 3. In decimal this value is 4. In decimal this value is 5. In decimal this value is 6. And in decimal this value is 7. So check once. Okay, let us take 2. Decimal 2. Convert it into binary. What will you have? 2 ones 2. 2 ones are 2. 0. Okay. What is the value? 1 0. 1 0 base 2. See here. See here. 1 0. If I put 0 here, will the value vary? No. So I'm writing 0 1 0 and 3-bit number as a 3-bit number. Why? Because I'm taking 3 inputs here. Right? Let us take 3. Next input 3. Okay. This is decimal 3. Convert this decimal number into binary. So what we have to do? 2 ones are 2. Remainder 1. So 1 1. See here 1 1. 1 1 base 2. In order to write it as a 3-bit number, I am adding 0 here. The value doesn't change. Let us take 4. Next number 4. Okay. If I divide 4 with 2, I'll get 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0. Next again. 2 ones are 2. Remainder 1. So what is the value? 1 1 0. 3-bit number I got here. Okay. This is base 2. I'm writing here. Next step. Decimal 5. Convert it into binary. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. Again 2 ones are 2. Remainder 0. What is the value? Bottom to top, 101 base 2, 101 base 2. So 101 I'm writing here. Likewise, check for 6 and 7 also. Check for 6 and 7 also. So this is the representation of binary decimal number in binary. Okay, so I'm taking here three inputs. Okay, then what will be the sum and carry according to binary rule? Sum and carry we have to write here. See here, 0 plus 0 plus 0, sum 0, carry 1. Sorry, carry go to 0 ne, carry 0. 0 0 1, sum 1, carry 0. 0 plus 1 means 1. So sum is 1. I have 0 carry. 0 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. 1 plus 1 means 2. So I have to convert 2 into binary. So if I convert 2 into binary, what I have? 2 ones are 2, remainder 0. This is sum and this is called carry. Right? So sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0. Sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0 plus 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Again, sum 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0. 1 plus 1 plus 0. 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 plus 0, 0. Sorry, 2. So 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 plus 0, 2. So again, sum is 0. Sum is 0. Carry is 1. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 here. 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So I have to convert 3 into binary. 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 0. Remainder is, sorry. 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. So 1 1. So this is sum and this is carry. And this is carry. So sum 1, carry 1. Sum 1, carry 1. Okay. These are binary rules for addition. These are binary rules for addition. Okay. Let us move on to binary subtraction. Binary subtraction. Right. Let us take a number. See here, it's you have to apply common sense here, right? So 1 0 1 0 point 0 1 0 is a number, and another number is 1 1 1 point 0 1 1 is another number here. I have to subtract this from this. So to subtract 111.011 from 1010.010 అంటే 111.011 ని 1010.010 నుంచి తీసేయాలమ్మ మనము. So to subtract it, right? So what will be the rule? We have to subtract 1 from 0. So it won't go. 0 నుంచి మనకి 1 పోదు. కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి? We have to get borrow. Let us take example of decimal subtraction. Then you will easily answer this question, right? 7,234 minus 896. See here, 7,234 minus 896. See, 496 చేయాలి. So to, sorry, yes, 496 చేయాలి. I have to subtract 6 from 4. So it won't go. So what I will do? I will take borrow. Okay, మనకి అప్పు తీసుకుంటామండి, borrow తీసుకుంటాం. Borrow means 10. Why the borrow means 10? Because I'm taking it in a decimal number system. It is a decimal number system. So since it is decimal number system, borrow means 10. Okay, so 4 లో 60 చేయాలి, 4. So I have to get borrow from 3. So I'm getting borrow from 3. Borrow means 10. Why it is 10? Since it is decimal number system, right? 10 is added to 4 here. It will become 14. 14 minus 6. Okay. 14 minus 6 8 8. సో ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంటుందండి? 3 ఉండదు, 2 ఉంటుంది. 2 నుంచి 9 తీసేయాలి, 9 పోదు. కాబట్టి ఏం చేస్తాము? విల్ బ్రింగ్ బారో ఫ్రమ్ 100th ప్లేస్. ఓకే, సో బారో అంటే అప్ అంటే 10, 10 ప్లస్ 2 12. ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ 2 ఉందండి, 10 ప్లస్ 2 12, 12 minus 9 it is 3. ఓకే, it is 3, right? నౌ ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుందండి. సో 1లో నుంచి 8 పోదు. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ టు బ్రింగ్ బారో ఫ్రమ్ 7. బారో మీన్స్ 10. వై ఇట్ ఈస్ 10? సిన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్. 10 ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ 1 ఉందండి, 10 ప్లస్ 1 11 అవుతుందమ్మా. 11 minus 8 3. సో ఫైనల్లీ ద వాల్యూ హియర్ ఈస్ 6. 6 minus 0 6. ఓకే, 6 minus 0 ఈక్వల్ టు 6. సో మనము ఇలా సపరేట్ చేస్తున్నాం కదండి. సేమ్ అప్లై చేయండి ఇక్కడ కూడా. ఓకే, సేమ్ ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేయండి, రైట్? సేమ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా అప్లై చేయండి. సో 0 నుంచి 1 తీసేయాలమ్మా, 0లో నుంచి 1 తీసేయాలి. సో 1 పోదు 0లో నుంచి. కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ మనం బారో తెచ్చుకోవాలి. బారో మీన్స్ 2 హియర్, because this is binary number system. This is binary number system. ఓకే, 2 వస్తున్నాం, అప్ అంటే 2 వస్తుంది అనమాట, రైట్? సో 2లో నుంచి 1 తీసేస్తే ఆల్రెడీ చూడండి ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంది, 2 ప్లస్ 0 2, 2 నుంచి 1 తీసేస్తే 1, రైట్? ఇక్కడ ఏముంటుందండి? ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకని అప్ ఇచ్చేసింది కాబట్టి. 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 పోదు. కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి? ఐ హావ్ టు బ్రింగ్ బారో ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి బారో వస్తుంది అనమాట. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది అప్పుడు చివరికి, రైట్? బారో మీన్స్ 2. ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది, అవునా కదా? సిన్స్ సి హియర్, ఇక్కడ మీరు లెట్ us టేక్ ఎ వాల్యూ 8000 minus 9 అనుకుందాం ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. అనుకుంటే 0 నుంచి 9 పోదు. కాబట్టి ఏం చేస్తాం? అప్పు తెచ్చుకుంటాం డెసిమల్లో. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి నుంచి అప్ అంటే ఎంత? 10. 10 minus 9 1. ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంటుందండి? 9 ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంటుందమ్మా? 9 ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? ఒక డిజిట్ తగ్గుతుంది, 7. సో 7 9 9 1 అని రాస్తున్నాం కదా మనము. సేమ్ అలాగే ఇక్కడ 0 అయిపోయింది, 0 నుంచి 1 తీసేయాలి. ఇక్కడ 1 పోదు, కాబట్టి ఏం చేసేయాలి? ఐ హావ్ టు బ్రింగ్ బారో. బారో తెచ్చుకుందామంటే ఈ ప్లేస్లో బారో లేదు, ఈ ప్లేస్లో బారో ఇవ్వలేదు, ఇక్కడ బారో ఇస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి, అండ్ దెన్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి అల్టిమేట్ ఇక్కడ వస్తుందండి, 2 అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ముందు ప్లేస్లో 1 ఉంటుంది. 2 minus 1 1. 1 minus 0 1. పాయింట్ 1 minus 1 0. ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంటుందమ్మా? ఆల్రెడీ బారో వచ్చింది కాబట్టి 0. సో అగైన్ ఐ హావ్ టు బ్రింగ్ బారో. వై? బికాస్ హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 1. ఐ హావ్ టు క్యాన్సిల్ 1 ఫ్రమ్ 0. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి బారో తీసుకొస్తుంది. బారో మీన్స్ 2. ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 1 ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంటుంది, అప్ ఇచ్చేసింది కాబట్టి. సో 2 minus 1 1. 1 minus 1 0. Here it is 0. So this is the value. Okay, let us take another problem. 1 0 1 1 0 1 minus 0 1 1 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 0. 0 minus 1 పోదండి. సో ఐ హావ్ టు బ్రింగ్ బారో ఫ్రమ్ ప్రీవియస్ ప్లేస్. సో బారో అంటే ఎంత? ఇక్కడ 2. 2 minus 1 1. ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంటుందండి? బారో వచ్చింది కాబట్టి 0 ఉంటుంది అనమాట. సో అంటే దీని ముందు వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది 0. సో 0 నుంచి 1 పోదు, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం బారో తెచ్చుకోవాలి. బారో మీన్స్ 2. 2 minus 1 1. ఇక్కడ 0 అయిపోయింది. సో 0 నుంచి 0 0 0 అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 1. సో అంతే మనకి బైనరీ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. ఓకేనమ్మా, చాలా ఈజీ. లెట్ us టేక్ another problem. 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 minus 1 1 1 0 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 0, 1.